Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is TCGSETSUNA here. For today's video, we have a Goddess Story NS11 booster box here. I'm still missing a couple of cards from this set. This set has really nice cards right there. Trying to get all of them to complete that master set. Let's see if we could pull some of these cards in here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification, join that giveaway. Links on the description down below. Alright, start cutting this box open. Take out these plastic here. Here we go. Some tough little plastic. There you go. Alright. We do have a lot of packs in this box. These boxes do come with a heavy amount of packs. There we go. Just a ton of packs here. Put that box on the side. There we go. Check out the booster pack art. Very nice little artwork here. There you go. NS11. Alright. Put them all together. We'll mix them up just a little bit here. Alright. See if we can pull some nice SSRs or better. There we go. First pack here. Try to get through these as fast as I can. Pack number 1, we have a nice CR right here. We have our regular rares. And a nice SR right here. Nice little Pokemon SR. Our CRs are really nice. Alright, we're gonna put our CRs here. Come right here for now. There we go, second pack. I do enjoy opening these boxes. You always get a nice amount of hits here. Another beautiful CR. And an SR right here. Nice little artwork on these. There we go, another CR. Have our rares here. Beautiful SR right there. Nice little hollow pattern in the back. CR. Forgot to sleeve that one over there. Alright, here we go. Nice Remo right here. We have a SCR, which is really beautiful. Much better than the CRs. This is actually a really nice one here. Evangelion. Alright, next pack. Another nice little rare right here. Oops, here we go. Rare SR. Nice little foil pattern in the back. More rares. A very nice CR right here. Beautiful card. Very simple, but it looks really nice. Another CR right there. And an SR right here. Another Pokemon theme. SR. Very nice. nice CR right here. Simple design. Alright. So far no SSRs. Usually get a lot of those. Hopefully we start pulling them soon. Ooh, very nice rare here. Beautiful card. Nazareth right there. Albedo. Gorgeous card. Another SR right here. Alright, let's see. Hopefully we're gonna get our SSR right here. Hopefully. Nice rare. Beautiful CR right there. Nice artwork. And just a SR. Very nice. Oh, where are our SSRs at? There we go. CR right here. Beautiful artwork on there. See this one? Oh, very nice. SCR right here. Suba. Very nice. Really enjoyed that show. Hilarious. Alright. Yeah, what was that name again? Misumi or something? I think that was her name. There we go. Nice little CR right there. Ooh, very nice. SR. Beautiful SR right here. This is from Dress Up Darling, I think it was. I think that's where it was from. Alright. Another simple, very nice CR right there. Very nice rare here from One Punch Man. This is a really nice card right here. Nice rare. There's that bunny show. I know the Weiss version of this card is really expensive. Oh, here we go. We got Philo, I think. From Shield here. Very nice rare. A nice SCR there. Beautiful artwork on there. Nice little pack. There we go. There we go. Beautiful rare. There we go. Another beautiful rare right there. Gorgeous rare. Simple design. And the SR here. With the REM. Beautiful REM card. Not a single SSR yet. CR and an SR. Oh, a nice aqua card here. Very nice card right there. Her character is hilarious. We got a Remu card. I think we've seen this one already. CR, we already pulled that one. That's rare. Beautiful SR right there. Alright. Very nice. Another simple CR. Beautiful artwork. A Shield Hero. It's that anime. Actually maxes out her defense. Very nice show. A nice SR right here. I mean, just a simple SRs and the rares, CRs and SCRs on this set are actually nice. You just want to see some of the SCRs, which haven't shown themselves yet. Another beautiful CR card right there. Seen these beautiful cards. Oh, there you go, our first SSR. It's actually the same girl from the pack. Very nice. Beautiful SSR. About time we got one. There we go. SR. I've not seen this show. Don't know much about this one. Let me sleeve up this CR right here. There we go. Nice rare. Beautiful all battle card. Rare. There we go. Gorgeous SSR. Demon Slayer. Forgot her name though. Beautiful card. There we go. Some rares here. Have you seen these? SR. Another SR right here. This could have probably been a CR. I would have liked this card in SR. It would have been nice with a nicer hollow pattern. Got that other nice CR right here. Another one. Some more rares. Oh, here we go, another SSR. Beautiful card. Do love little gold accents on these SSRs. Actually make them stand out pretty good. Here we go. Some more rares. Albedo right there. SCR right here. Spy family. SCR, gorgeous looking card. Beautiful card. Probably one of my favorite ones in this set. Some more rares that we've seen. CR. Oh, another SSR. Nice, gorgeous artwork. Beautiful card. Just a few more packs left. Here we go. Nice CR. Rare and a SR right here. I don't think I've pulled that one yet. Yeah, SR. Punchman Fubuki, I think it was her name. A nice Philo card. Oh, here we go. SSR. Beautiful card. Awesome artwork on this. Love the gold with like that reddish pink. Looks very nice. There we go. Some more rares, CR, the SR. We need more SSRs. Very nice rare. CR right here, another rare. That is a rare. I thought it was a CR. Oh, here we go. Another beautiful SSR here. Card Captor Sakura, I think. Gorgeous card. Definitely enjoying these SSRs. And the artwork on them are beautiful. Go. That's a Remu. Another CR right here. SR. Cute SR right there. These CRs are really nice. Very colorful. Got some more rares here. Oh, very nice. Another SSR. Gorgeous looking card. I think I pulled this one. Beautiful card though. Second to last pack here. Let's go. Very nice rare right there. Very beautiful rare, CR, and an SR. Nice looking SR right there. Alright, last pack. Hopefully we can pull one more SSR. Let's go. Here we go. We got that rare. A nice Shino card here. Sword Art Online. CR. I'm not sure if this is from Death Note. Could be wrong. Beautiful CR. Oh, very nice SSR right here. Beautiful card. Gorgeous card. We got a nice last pack magic hit right here. It's awesome to land it on the SSR. Let's check out our SSR hits. Nice bunch. Always a good box. If you haven't picked one up, you should pick one up. You get pretty decent hits, and you'll actually enjoy the artwork on these. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, don't forget to join that giveaway. Check out the link down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next opening.